when we are talking about segments inside of a circle, chords that intersect like this, there are two possibilities. Um, Sometimes we wind up using the formula part times part equals part times part. Other times we use the formula part times whole equals part times whole. So the question is, which situation is this? Is this the part times part situation, or is it the part times whole situation? Hopefully you just said part times part. When we have the segments intersecting completely inside the circle, that's when we set up the equation part times part equals part times part. On the other hand, when we get to number 10 in a minute, when we have the segments that are meeting outside the circle, that's when we use the part times whole equals part times whole equation. And that's coming up next. But here we will do part times part. So let me just abbreviate that. So in this case, part times part from this segment will be 15 times x. So I can write 15 times x as just 15x. Now I'll do part times part from the other segment. So far I've done this. Part times part. Okay, the 15 times the x. Now I will do part times part from the other segment. And that's other segment's going to be 30 times 12, part times part. So 15x equals 360. Of course, now what are we going to do? Hopefully you said we are going to divide both sides by 15 to get x by itself. Okay, so that's going to leave us with x equals 24. And that is the answer.